Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to check your MAC address on this laptop. So in order to do this, open the Start menu and start looking for CMD application. Once you find this command prompt application, run it as administrator by clicking right here. Click yes. And then in the following field, input ipconfig /all. Then press enter. And in front of you, you will see the list of network adapters. And as you can see, most of them are disconnected. Oh, something is lagging for me. Okay, most of them are disconnected, and each adapter has its own physical address, and the physical address is the MAC address of this adapter. Now, if you want to see the active MAC address, you gotta find the network adapter that is currently active, and for me it's the Wi-Fi adapter, because I'm connected to the internet using Wi-Fi. Therefore, my active MAC address is this one. And at the very bottom of the list, you can also find the mobile broadband adapter, which also has its MAC address. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.